Hello, my name's Richard Crowhurst and you join us here at YouTube. We're CYB Glass Fibre, of course, and we're going to be showing you a very short video about the different types of mat, or the CSM, the chopped strand mat, that we sell here in the factory. So, let's start off. So let's start with the small one. We've got the 300 gram mat. If I pull that down, you can see through that where the light is. It's a very thin matting. You wouldn't use this on a roof, but you may use this for a very small patch repair on a boat, or maybe even do a moulding. Because it's only 300 gram chopped strand mat, it's very kind to durability. So you can place it around an angle of a mould or of something similar. So it's very good, but as I say, you wouldn't put that on a roof. That's very good for, so the moulds. That's available per metre, or that's available per gram or kilo. We then go to our next one, which is our 600 gram chopped strand mat. You would do this with a roof, but you'd only do one layer. That's not something that we recommend here at CYB, but it is something we sell. Again, not as forgiving on a 90-degree angle. That, again, is available per metre and is available per 5 kilos. Finally, the 450 gram chopped strand mat. This is something that we do recommend when it comes to a roof, but we recommend it in 2 layers. That's 2 layers of 450 gram mat, equaling 900 grams. So it's very durable. It's going to take a lot of pressure or whatever that may well be, but it's very good, and it is available when we come to do a roof or that we come to sell it. Again, you can buy roof packs for both the 450 gram mat and the 600 gram. Not too sure? Log on www.cybglassfibre.co.uk, and there's a great roof calculator on there as well that will break down exactly what your meterage is and exactly what materials that you need. So that's your 450 gram mat, your 600 gram mat and your 300 gram mat. Max, follow me. So what we're then going to do is show you the packages. So 600 gram, if it's over 4 metres, you're better buying a kilo or a 5 kilo bag. That comes in 5 kilos, 600, and it also comes in 10 kilos. About the 450 then. That works the same basis. 5 kilos, 450 gram, and 10 kilos, 450 gram mat. You can then get it in a box. So you can get it 300 grams. Of course, by the time you get to a box, it's much more better value for per kilo when you're buying a 35 kilo box, whether that be 300 gram, 300 gram, which is 116 metres square, 450 gram mat, that's 77 metres, and finally 600 gram mat at 58 square metres. But we've got this one here on the end, the odd one out. It's bigger, but the box is smaller. That's 30 kilos, and that is 450 gram chopped strand mat. You can't buy that on the shelf. That's because it's our BBA registered roofing material. To buy this, you do need to attend one of our BBA roofing workshops. They happen on the last Saturday of the month. Again, if you're not too sure, give us a ring, 01268 696 094. Log on, www.cybglassfibre.co.uk. Like us on Facebook, like us on Twitter, or why not come in and see us and like us for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Richard Crowhurst. Thank you for watching.